I am K. Omeswara, Department of Physics. Today my topic is Unit 1 Kinetic Theory of Gases. So, first question, explain the coefficient of viscosity or coefficient of thermal conductivity. So, this is the flow diagram. First one, let us consider x direction gas molecules flow of velocity 0. So this is the x direction, this is the origin. So x direction flow of velocity is 0. Another y direction, this is the y direction flow of velocity is increased. So u means velocity, u minus means decreased. So another upper layer are increased, plus increased. So y direction are flow of velocity is increased. Next, direction of a parallel layers A dash, B dash, C dash. So OX direction parallel layers A dash, B dash and C dash. Next, we says that B dash layer velocity U. Consider layer velocity U. Another A dash layer velocity U minus du by dy into lambda. So lambda means mean free path. So lambda difference between the two layers, distance between the two layers, this is the lambda. So this is the lambda. So distance between the two layers is called lambda. So lambda means mean free path. Next, C dash layer velocity, we says that u plus du by dy into lambda. Lambda means mean free path. According to Newton's law, let's formula F directly proportional to A. So F means force, A means area. Force is directly proportional to area. So next, next one, according to Newton's law, force is directly proportional to area. Force is directly proportional to du by dy. So u means velocity, y means y direction. Change in velocity in y direction. Change in velocity in y direction. Change in velocity in y direction. So minus plus increased. F equal minus eta a into du by dy. Du by dy. So eta equal coefficient of viscosity, and minus indicates the negative sign, equal to decrease of viscosity force. So negative sign indicates the viscosity force. Then eta equal F by A. So eta equal to F by A. So this is the equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. Next, next one, according to according to Joule assumption, according to Joule assumption. So 1 by 6th part of the total number of molecule is n(c) bar by 6. So this is the Joule assumption. So Joule assumption means the total number of molecules is n(c) bar by 6. So total gas molecules, that means so n equal to where n equal capital N by V. That means number of molecules per value. V means value. So C bar means average velocity or Joule velocity. Joule velocity. So this is the equation of Joule assumption. So next one, moving from upper layer so this is the upper layer. So C dash will be, so gas molecule moving from upper layer. So upper layer C dash will be per unit area unit second equal momentum into number of molecules. So number of molecules per unit area unit second equal to momentum into number of molecules. That means so this per unit area unit second means P1 equal to momentum. Momentum means mv. Momentum means mv. So m means m means mass. So v means velocity. So this velocity u plus du by dy. So u means velocity, v means velocity. So velocity means u plus increasing of velocity du by dy into lambda. So u plus du by dy into lambda into, according to Joule's assumption, means equation n c bar by 6. N c bar by 6. This is the equation number 1. Next one, this is the equation of upper layer. So next one, moving from down layer. Down layer means A dash. A dash will be so P2 equal, so equation formula per unit area unit second equal to momentum into number of molecules. That means P2 equal momentum means mv. So v means down layer. So u minus, this is the total velocity, u minus du by dy into lambda. According to Joule assumption. So Joule assumption formula means n c bar by 6. This is the equation number. So this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, that means P2 minus P1. P2 means mn c bar by 6 into u minus du by dy into lambda. This is the P2 minus whole bracket. P1 means m into nc, mn c bar by 6 into u minus du by dy into lambda. So this is the equation. So common term P2 minus P1 equal to common term mn c bar by 6. So this is equation mn c bar by 6. So this is the common by 6 into u plus u minus into plus u minus u. So u cancel. So minus du by dy minus into, so this is the plus, minus into plus. So that means minus du by dy. So minus 2 du by dy into lambda. So this is the lambda into lambda. This is the equation. Next one, next so P2 minus P1, total area of force, F equal mn c bar into lambda by 6 into minus 2 du by dy into A. So total area into A. So 2 1s are 2 3s are cancelled. F equal minus 1 by 3 mn c bar lambda into A du by A and dy. So 2 ones are 2 threes are cancel. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 mn c bar lambda. So A next du by dy. So this is the equation. Next f equal 1 by 3 mn c bar lambda a. So minus and du by dy is negligible. So next 1 by 3 mn c bar lambda into a. Next one from equation 1. So what is the equation 1? Eta equal coefficient of viscosity equal F by A. That means F means 1 by 3 mn c bar lambda A by A. So A cancel. Remaining equation 1 by 3 mn c bar lambda. So rho equal mn. So this is the gas density. So eta equal 1 by 3 rho c bar lambda. So this is the equation of coefficient of viscosity. So next one lambda. So lambda means, what is the lambda? Lambda means distance between two layers. So lambda equal to mean free path. So lambda equal mean free path. So that equal 1 by root 2 pi sigma square n. So sigma means diameter. So n means number of moles per unit value. So this equation substituted in above equation. So eta equal 1 by 3 mn c bar into lambda means 1 by root 2 pi sigma square n. So n cancel. Remaining equation eta equal mc bar by 3 into root 2. 3 root 2 pi sigma square. This is the equation of coefficient of viscosity or coefficient of thermal conductivity. So eta is depending on so eta is depending on the mass. First one, conclusion. So eta is directly proportional to mass. Eta means coefficient of viscosity is directly proportional to mass. Second one, eta is directly proportional to c bar. So eta is directly proportional to c bar. C bar means average velocity. Eta means coefficient of viscosity is directly proportional to average velocity or joule velocity. Third one, eta is directly proportional to root T. T means temperature. Coefficient of viscosity is directly proportional to root over the temperature. Next point, eta is inversely proportional to 1 by sigma square. Sigma means diameter. So eta coefficient of viscosity is inversely proportional to square of the diameter. Inversely proportional to square of the diameter. Conclusion, last point. So eta coefficient of viscosity is does not depending on pressure and density. So eta means coefficient of viscosity is does not depending on pressure and viscosity. So this is the coefficient of viscosity equation. Eta equal to mc bar by 3 root pi sigma square. Thank you, friends.